Apple apologizes for its latest iPad Pro advertisement. During the launch of its new iPad Pro and Air models, Apple also debuted an ad showcasing the iPad Pro's many features like multimedia creation and entertainment. Although it seems that the Cupertino tech giant's ad seems to have upset a number of users online, the ad, which shows a hydraulic press destroying thousands of dollars worth of items and instruments, has been deemed by some as insensitive as it supposedly represents the destruction of the creative process in lieu of an entirely digital and artificial approach. Regardless of how you might feel about the ad though, Apple has gone out and issued a formal apology to folks who found the ad problematic. Speaking to Ad Age, Apple VP for Marketing Communications Tor Miran states, "Our goal is to always celebrate the myriad of ways users express themselves and bring their ideas to life through iPad. We missed the mark with this video, and we're sorry." With that in mind, the company has also stated that it will no longer run the ad on TV. Interestingly enough, the ad greatly resembles a 2008 commercial from LG for its Renoir smartphone, which you can check out below.